Hello, trading is closed on June 11th, 2018. I'd like to start out by acknowledging all the thank yous I get from people in the email about the videos. I do appreciate it. Well, my last call said that if we gapped down under these lows and preferably under this one, it would seal a top pretty much. But if we didn't, I had no call. Well, my definition of unchanged is within 4 points of the prior day's close. This was just under 3 points of a gain. So I guess psychologically it was all right to make no call because we closed essentially unchanged. But of course that doesn't make anybody any money. Here's today's pattern. MEJT says ultimately lower prices would print, but it says the move is false. Gives us a target of 2790.19, most likely to print tomorrow. Mixed signals from the action. It's a pattern which almost always closes at the day's high, so we have until early tomorrow to beat this high. If we gap up, hit the target, hit the high, there's no sell signal. If we can't beat this high early, there is a sell signal. Now we have the higher target. We have a wall into the close, which often is followed by gapping up, and we have futures pretty close to this already. So there is a real chance that we get what we need for the rally to continue. But if we can't clear this early, it's a negative pattern and lower prices should print. If we do clear it, I can't really make a prediction for what's going to happen after that because the signals are too mixed for me. For instance, it's positive that we now have 2 bars over this line. That beats resistance, but it's negative that we have a reversal bar involving the upper Bollinger Band. Now there's no reversal bar if we take out this high, but if we can't take out the high and start dropping, my target is a challenge of the lower band, which is about 100 points away. So for tomorrow, here's the target, but if we don't gap up, clear this early, lower prices should print, and that might be left unsatisfied. If we don't get these new highs early, we look for lower prices. If we do, I'm not predicting what happens next. The pattern should be the one with the early low, and that's today's call.